Hello students, welcome to Math Square. This presentation is about example 1 and 2 of chapter triangles. So in the examples ku munnadi theorem 6.1 and theorem 6.2, that is basic proportionality theorem 6.1 and its converse theorem 6.2 பார்த்திருக்கோம். அந்த concepts யூஸ் பண்ணி தான் இந்த problem solve பண்ண போறோம். Theorem based problems. அதனால site heading given to prove and proof as usual கொடுக்கிறது better. இந்த problem laye diagram கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. Let's read and understand the problem now. If a line intersects sides AB and AC of a triangle ABC at D and E respectively and is parallel to BC, prove that. Directly கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. So இது வரைக்கும் உள்ள line is given. We have to prove this segment, that is AD by AB is equal to AE by EC. See the figure 6.13. This is the figure. இப்போ problemல explain பண்ணுவோம். A line, this is the line, இல்லையா, intersects the sides AB and AC. Triangle க்கு 3 sides இருக்கு. அதுல AB and AC intersect பண்ணுது at D and E respectively. Also that line parallel to side BC. Okay va? These are all the things given. A line is parallel to one of the side BC of a triangle and intersects the other two sides at two distinct points. Okay, so in the concept is similar to theorem 6.1 BPT. So அதை apply பண்ணி solve பண்ண போறோம். We have to prove என்ன ratios பார்த்தோம்னா AD by AB the whole side is equal to AE by the whole side AC அப்படின்றது இருக்கு. ஒரு சின்ன variation. Now given to prove எல்லாம் எழுதிரலாம். Okay, diagramல இருந்து side headings வேற கலர்ல highlight பண்ணிருக்கோம். And given in triangle ABC DE parallel to BC also intersects the sides AB and AC at D and E respectively to prove the ratio. Okay, proof க்கு already சொன்ன மாதிரி theorem 6.1 quote பண்ணணும். In triangle ABC using basic proportionality theorem என்ன சொல்லுது? If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect other two sides at distinct points, then the other two sides are divided in the same ratio அப்படின்னு. So அந்த concept இங்க apply பண்ணும்போது other two sides divided ஆகிற ratio என்ன? AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Okay, using the theorem. Then இப்போ to prove ஓட compare பண்ணும்போது AD AE both the sides numerator same இருக்கு and denominator DB EC ன்னு portion of the whole side AB and AC கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. இப்போ add பண்ணி something என்ன add பண்ணனும்னா இப்போ DB வந்து AB ஆ மாறணும் அப்படின்னா the other segment AD add பண்ணனும் left hand sideல and right hand sideல EC யோட AE ன்ற segment add பண்ணும்போது AC கிடைக்கும். இது fraction formல இருக்கு இல்லையா, இது கூட எதை add பண்ணாலும் denominator remains the same. ஏன்னா அது ஒரே ஒரு quantity தான் இருக்கு. LCM எடுப்போம். That is இப்ப number கூட compare பண்ணும்போது 5 by 8 plus 1 அப்படின்னு இருக்குன்னா 5 by 8 is a fraction, 1 is a whole number. Add பண்ணும்போது denominator only one quantity 8 தான் இருக்கு. That will be the LCM. So that it will be like 5 plus 1 into 8 by 8. 8 by 8 ஆல multiply பண்ணுவோம் to get the same denominator. So அதே concept தான் இங்க வரும். அதனால first என்ன பண்ணலாம், இந்த equationsக்கு reciprocal எடுக்கலாம். Okay, so taking reciprocal on both sides of the above equation, we will get என்ன இருக்கு? DB by AD is equal to EC by AE. Okay, now adding 1 on both the sides. So equation ஓட both sides லையும் same operation செய்ய முடியும் இல்லையா? That is same quantity both the sides add பண்றது, multiply பண்றது, divide பண்றது, subtract பண்றது, என்ன வேணாலும் பண்ணலாம். Okay, like that we are adding 1 on both sides. அப்போ DB by AD plus 1 is equal to EC by AE plus 1. So already inga numbers வச்சு சொன்ன மாதிரியா 5 by 8 plus 1 ன்னு வரும்போது common denominator 8 வர்றதுக்காக இந்த whole number 8 by 8 ஆல multiply பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னா 5 by 8 plus 8 by 8 ன்னு இருக்கும். As the denominator is common, by 8 common போட்டுட்டு numerators add பண்ணிக்கலாம். So like the same இங்க என்ன பண்ண போறோம் 1 into left hand sideல AD by AD ஆல multiply பண்ண போறோம். அங்க numeralsக்கு பண்ணத இங்க distance that is the sideக்கு பண்றோம். By AE இருக்கு இங்க right hand sideல into AE by AE பண்றோம். So that is common denominator is AD in the left hand side. Okay, and right hand side common denominator AE. Now numerators பார்த்தோம்னா DB plus AD, right hand side EC plus AE. Is it? So sum of two segments என்னவா இருக்கு DB is this portion DB plus AD ன்னும்போது அடுத்த segment. So when we add these two portion you will get the whole side AB. Is it? Like the same for the other side, that is EC plus AE. என்னவா இருக்கு EC is this portion, AE the other one. So இந்த ரெண்டையும் add பண்ணும்போது the whole side AC கிடைச்சிருது. Is it? Now we can write this as AB by AD is equal to, denominator remains the same, numerator தான் sum of two quantities ஆ இருக்கிறதுனால அதை ஒரு whole segment ஆ எழுதிடுறோம். EC plus AE, that is AC. Okay, now AB by AD, this is AD by AB and AE by AC, இங்க right hand side AC by AE, that is உல்டாவா இருக்கு. அதனால இப்ப என்ன பண்றோம் again reciprocal எடுக்கும்போது sides வந்து change ஆயிரும், நமக்கு தேவையான to prove session கிடைச்சிருது. While taking reciprocal on both the sides, we will get AD by AB is equal to AE by AC, which is the part we have to prove. We achieved this line, is it? AD by AB is equal to AE by AC. Thus, hence proved. So, example 1, basic proportionality theorem based பண்ணி solve பண்ணியாச்சு. Now, we'll move on to the example 2. Example 2 given along with the problem. Let's read this. ABCD is a trapezium with AB parallel to DC. So this is a trapezium. Trapezium na it's a quadrilateral with 4 sides. Okay. ஒரே ஒரு opposite pair of sides மட்டும் parallel இருக்கும். So that AB parallel to DC. Other two sides are non-parallel. Now ABCD is a trapezium with AB parallel to DC. E and F or points on non-parallel sides. AD and BC non-parallel sides உள்ள points E and F. Okay. Also this EF, when joining these two points, EF is parallel to AB. This upper portion, EF parallel to AB. See this figure from the figure. So இது இவ்வளவு தான் given. Clear ஆ கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. ABCD is a trapezium with E and F are the points on the non-parallel sides. EF is parallel to AB. We have to show or we have to prove AE by ED and B is equal to BF by FC. The ரெண்டு ratiosum equal னு prove பண்ணனும். Okay, we have done the same in theorem 6.1, that is in basic proportionality theorem. The same concept தான், with only difference the shape இங்க கொடுத்திருக்கிறது trapezium and we had triangle there. Okay, and the concept is for triangle. இங்க trapezium க்கு இதை எப்படி பண்ண போறோம் அப்படின்னு பார்க்கலாம். Before that, as it's similar to a theorem given to prove and proof னு side heading கொடுத்தாச்சு. From the diagram இதெல்லாம் எழுதிரலாம். ஓகேவா? Given is in trapezium ABCD, AB parallel to DC and E and F are points on sides AD and BC respectively. Also EF parallel to AB. So EF parallel to AB in ஒரு சைடுக்கு மட்டும் தான் கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. Already we have AB parallel to DC as this is the trapezium. அதனால EF AB க்கு parallel இருக்கும்போது already AB DC க்கு parallel இருக்கிறதுனால this EB is also parallel to DC. Okay, so that we can write it in the given portion itself, EF parallel to DC as well. Okay va? Then to prove problemல கொடுத்திருக்கிற portion, we are going to give the proof for this. எப்படி பண்ண போறோம் அப்படின்னா, as I said earlier, BPT is for triangle. This is a trapezium. So in the diagram laye triangle form பண்ணலாமா? When you join the diagonals, any one of the diagonal, whether either BD or AC, ஏதோ ஒண்ணு. Okay, now let's join AC. Start giving the proof. Join AC. Join பண்ணிரலாம். While joining AC, it intersects the line EF at the point G. Okay, now we have two triangles, ADC and ABC. So in these two triangles, we can apply theorem 6.1 as this EG is parallel to DC. Okay, cutting the other two sides in two different points, the ratios are equal. Like the same in triangle ABC, GF is parallel to AB and dividing the other two sides in different points G and F, so that these ratios are equal. BF by FC is equal to AG by GC. Okay, va? So we joined AC here, then start giving proof by using BPT in these two triangles. Now in triangle ADC, using basic proportionality theorem, வேணா quote பண்ணிக்கலாம். Basic proportionality theorem name mention பண்ணலாம். If not, அந்த statement கூட quote பண்ணிக்கலாம். Okay, after this in triangle ADC ல என்னவா இருக்கு? EF parallel to, sorry, EG portion of the EF, EG parallel to DC. Okay, which implies that AE by ED is equal to AG by GC. Equation 1. Like the same, using proportionality theorem in other triangle. In triangle ABC. ABC ல எப்படி இருக்கு? GF parallel to AB. So the line other two sides are divide பண்ற ratios are equal using BPT, the same theorem. Okay va? So we can write there as BF by FC, sorry, BF by FC is equal to AG by GC. Equation 2. In equation 1 and 2, the right hand sides are same. Is it? So நீங்க மாத்தி எழுதுனா கூட பிரச்சனை இல்ல. Equating 1 and 2, as any one of the sides are equal, we can equate the other two sides கூட போட்டுக்கலாம். Okay, so as the right hand sides are equal, we can equate the left hand sides. We will get AE by ED is equal to BF by FC. This is the required portion we have to prove. Thus, hence prove. Okay, simple concept. So theorem based problem அப்படினும்போது theoretical concept வரும்போது நம்ம previously படிச்ச எல்லா கான்செப்ட்டுமே நல்லா புரிஞ்சு கிளியரா வச்சிட்டோம்னா இந்த anyhow upcoming theorems ஆகட்டும் problems ஆகட்டும் கண்டிப்பா அந்த theorem statements or names mention பண்ண வேண்டியது இருக்கும். So it's better to understand the theoretical concept very clear to do the further problems. Okay வா? So எதுவும் doubts இருந்தா comment sectionல கேளுங்க. இந்த problem மட்டும் இல்ல எந்த கான்செப்ட்னாலும் we are ready to help you. Thanks for watching Math Square. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Keep watching.